Ayo. Go, sing. Seasons change.
Seasons change. Well, you're not gonna be there next season.
Oh.
Say goodbye
to yesterday.
Yeah.
Take this.
Oh.
How do that go?
Hey, play Jabba song in the background. It's too hard to say goodbye.
No, that's a funeral song, idiot. Hey, bro. It's okay, man. You'll be back, bro. I wanna miss you. Maybe next year you'll be back. Okay? At least you still got our bros up there, huh? You can always come back here, bro. It's just gonna be hard for the next 2 weeks, bro. You're gonna keep thinking about Utah. Hey, you still got your bros over here. That's your ride to Washington. Yeah, bro. Same, bro. Oh. Okay, bro. You just gotta go because you gotta go with your dad.
Alright, guys. I got a train station number 3. Someone hop in.
Not me,
Are you gonna go to the gym, though? Okay. We'll see you at the gym, bro.
We'll take our last pictures there.
We'll take our last pics there and our last videos. Right, Matipo?
Yeah.
Gonna come back and this guy's gonna be already. He's gonna be certified now.
Hey, you play Fortnite.
Hey, bro.
That is new stuff, huh?
Give this guy a hug, bro. It's okay. We'll see you there. I'll see you over there. Alright? I'm lost in my last video.